you ready?
Yeah, see? You weren't recording.
Are you ready? Do you want to grab the keys or no? You're gonna leave without the keys?
Oh, no.
I think you need an attitude check, but anyways.
I think you need it.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have too much stuff, like too much layers. I think I need to take something off.
No, I think you'll be right.
Are you sure?
I think you'll be right.
Are you sure?
Go 85 lakefront.
I'm just GPS. I'll do it mine. You used your data yesterday, I used my data today.
Okay.
Hold on a second, let me find it first while I'm on Wi-Fi. Warner!
Visitor centre.
If it's visitor centre, why don't you just put visitor centre on there?
Go on then.
What are you driving?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
No. Oh, it might be. I roughly know which direction. I'm gonna go straight here.
Lakefront Drive?
85 Lakefront Drive.
No, it just says one Lakefront Drive.
Just get me to Lakefront Drive and I'll find it. It's like in the middle.
Guidance will start now.
Inappropriate. You didn't really tag them, you just...
Mentioned them.
Yeah. It's very true. You saw the data on
Anyway.
Airbnb, like, it was like, ooh, dreamy.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, that was it. Which is really upsetting. I was like, okay, cool, thanks. Appreciate it.
Give me free Airbnbs.
Didn't respond to that one.
No.
That was a shit one, to be honest. What are you doing today, Patrick?
Going on a trip.
Is that it?
I'm just gonna be sitting down all day. Looking at mountains and clouds.
It's a good photo.
That's a good photo.
I did a good job doing
You're a
that.
good photographer.
I am, aren't I?
Say that.
Wow.
Imagine that.
Skills.
Oh my god.
I went and stalked Reese's page for a little bit.
Yeah? What'd you find?
Him with hair.
Oh, where? I haven't seen that. I'll turn my data back on.
Anyway, so we're going to Doubtful Falls today.
Sounds?
Doubtful Sound.
How far down did you go?
Really far down. I was trying to find his Roy's Peak photo.
Oh yeah.
So
How far away was that?
Really, I think it was with an X.
Really?
Yeah. It was really, really far down. It was like...
Well, do you have long hair or just...
He had hair on his head.
Oh, here we go. What?
Yeah.
That looks fake.
Yeah.
That looks like a wig.
It looks like a toupee.
Looks like Photoshop. I think it is a toupee.
No, I think that's just hair. He just styled it up.
No, it's definitely a fake wig.
I'll just message him and be like, is this fake hair?
What is going on?
It's about 20 minutes to Lake Manapouri, and we should get there by about 7. Well, there's more than that. They'll be waiting for us. Take us across to West Town, across Lake Manapouri. Now that ride on the boat, about 50 minutes across the Wilmot Pass, deep cold.
Working. We certainly were yesterday.
Now the waters have to, when they discovered a large deposit of bauxite. Now these forests, they once covered all the alpine lands before the arrival of man, about 1,000 years ago, and in this 18th century, much of the endemic bird and plant life sort of proliferated into distinct species as we know them today. Most of the largest remaining indigenous forest types found here in New Zealand, mainly because they found the mountains areas not generally regarded. Now this particular type of beach
today. Now before we get too far into our trip here,
Where are you looking at? What are you doing?